Good morning, everybody. I've woken up so early in the morning because I wanted to experience one of the nature's most beautiful gifts, the sunrise. It's summertime here in UK, which means the sun rises very early, usually between 4:45 or 5 in the morning. While most of the city is still asleep, nature quietly reminds and begins as a brand new day. Just a few minutes from my home, there is a beautiful little hill where I came to watch this magical moment. Come along with me and let's experience this beautiful sunshine together. There is something truly special about watching the first rays of sunlight appearing over the horizon. Every sunrise reminds us that no matter what happened yesterday, today is a brand new beginning filled with hope, opportunities, and new memories waiting to be created. I thoroughly enjoyed standing here and watching the entire 360-degree horizon before sunrise. It reminded me that noticing is an art, and that art often leads to creativity. The more we observe the little things around us, the more beauty we discover in everyday life. Try it one morning, please, and let me know how it makes you feel. Here comes the sunrise, offering a beautiful namaskar to the world. With its golden rays, it lights up the earth, awakens nature, and marks the beginning of a brand new day. It's truly divine. It is. Thank you, dear sun, for making this day so special and beautiful, and for reminding us that every sunrise is a new beginning. May your warm rays bring happiness, good wealth, peace, and endless blessings to each and every one of my viewers. Thank you. Now look up to the sky, the day moon, and the passing clouds. Such a peaceful scene. Sometimes the most magical moments are hidden in this plain sight. We just have to look up. Just look at this, guys. The golden rays dancing on the canal, creating a beautiful reflections. And then a tiny bird gently glides across the water, leaving behind the delicate waves. Sometimes all it takes is slowing down, noticing these little moments to realize how beautiful nature truly is. Along this peaceful canal, you will also find colorful narrowboats where some people actually live. It's a quiet lifestyle close to nature and full of charm. And look at these pigeons. Oh my god, look at them. They're already doing their morning tasks, either finding food, socializing, and enjoying the peaceful morning together. Isn't it amazing how every living creature has its own daily routine? Seeing a fox this early morning is truly special. It is also doing its daily routine while the rest of the world slowly wakes up. Lily? Just look at the variety of plants around our estate. I have put some of the shots here, and every walk brings a new discovery. And this beautiful place is a home to so many creatures, from birds to insects, seeing water lilies, the new roses, or many other flowers that I have only heard about before moving abroad makes me appreciate nature is even more. Sometimes paradise is just very closer than we think. Just take a look at the flowers. Isn't it wonderful? As the morning goes on, more people come out to walk their dogs. The once empty roads slowly fill the traffic and the city comes to life. Every morning has its own beautiful story. And I hope you enjoyed watching this beautiful sunrise journey with me. Remember, noticing is an art. And the more we notice the little things around us, the more beautiful life becomes. This is just the beginning. Stay tuned for part 2, where you will experience the breathtaking sunset together. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and join me for more London adventures. Until then, take care, keep smiling, and may every sunrise bring new hope into your lives. Bye bye, love you all, take care.